Civic. I'm dipping in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I got the green gas Civic.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy LSARide254.com. LSARide254. As you can see, we picked up this Ryobi. We're finna open up the box. This was another video where the audio messed up and it didn't get recorded. And for that, I apologize, but I mean, this gives a new, different feeling. So, got the Ryobi open, I'm showing how the handle rotates and everything, and showing what all came in the box, instructions, blah, 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 blah. This is the handle, this is how it screws in. There's additional ports on the side that you can see where the handle can go as well. It also comes with a disc. We get ours from Harbor Freight. They got a tightening tool that's inside of the handle. Going over the specs. Y'all can pause the video and watch that if y'all want to. They got a part number. Got this model because it was longer, hand is farther away from the blade, blah, blah, blah. We finna get ready to cut this hood up in a nutshell. So, and get ready for the Chevelle. Practice first before we go cutting on my baby. Identify your weaknesses, making strengths gone.